Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. It's very easy if you know where. Let me show you. Open your Instagram account, then tap on the three lines at the upper right corner and select Settings and Privacy item. After that, swipe down and select Account Privacy. We see that we have a public account, but when you try to enable a private account, you will see that first you need to change your profile to the personal account from professional. Return to Settings and select the Create Tools and Controls for Professionals account. Here, swipe down and select Switch Account Type. Yes, switch to personal account and confirm it switch to personal account. Wait please. Yes, it has been switched to personal account. Let's try making our account private again. To do this, scroll down, select account privacy and turn off private account. Now our Instagram account is safely hidden from prying eyes. I wish you good people in your environment so you don't have to hide anything from them. Good luck to you and all the best.